Hi everyone. So I just wanted to show my husband Adam got me a Mother's Day card for my dogs and my cats. So I have two dogs, but Peanut is like my third dog because I walk her and I feed her and all that stuff too. And I have three cats, so that's nice from the fur babies. And he also got me a card from himself. It's long. And he bought me my Sephora gift card, my hair product, my skin product, whatever I want. So that was my Mother's Day. So I loved it. I'm not a mom to humans, but I am a mom to fur babies. So that's the same thing. I love my fur babies. So happy Mother's Day, guys. Bye.